Hi friends, today is May 1st. We are going to sow the seeds of red amaranth today. These are the seeds of red amaranth. I prepared this raised bed with the fresh potting mix. I'm going to sprinkle the seeds over the soil. Once they germinate, we can transplant the seedlings to different containers, and some of them we can keep in the same raised bed also. These are the seeds of amaranth.